2021 Honda Accord with a 1.5 turbo. Show you how to reset the oil light. So we're gonna power it on here. Alright, and it's two ways you could do. Alright, so one of the two ways would be to, yeah, I know the hood open. We're gonna hit the home menu, and then we are going to, what is it? Okay, alright, home. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna scroll to maintenance. Alright, and then, yeah, it's a whole lot there. Alright, wait, what? Do you want to reset all of them? We only did the oil change today. So I guess what are all the do items? So, alright, and then, nice. So now we're at 100% on the oil change. Now, you could also go through here and go under settings, and then we're gonna go to vehicle. All right, and then we are going to go to maintenance info, and then we just changed oil, so that's what so what we did here, it showed up here, and we got new oil and filter. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.